We have a 2002 Honda CRV. I'm going to show you how to change your rear tail lights or brake lights, the bulbs in it. We're going to be using two basic tools today. We got a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with an 8mm or a 5/16 socket and a flathead screwdriver, any flathead screwdriver. So we'll go ahead and get started. So on your rear lights there are two little covers. Here's one here at the very top and one here at the very bottom. You're just going to get your screwdriver, pop those out to access the bolt behind it. Once they're both off, you're just going to go ahead and remove the bolt with your ratchet with your 8mm socket. You're going to do this on top and bottom. As you can see, we got the bolt removed. Then you get your flathead screwdriver. You're just going to pry out a little bit. There's a little clips on the back that hold it in. It should come off pretty easy. You pry it off. As you can see, there's that clip there. It goes in here. And on the bottom, the clip there, that goes in there. And then on the rear assembly, you have all of your lights. They are just a twist fit. You twist it out and you can replace your burnout light bulb, and then twist it back in once you replace that light bulb, and reassemble the same way you took it apart.